Beware of hype. Here's what actually helps your case. You will hear a lot of attorneys try to prop themselves up and announce that they're the best of this, the best of that, and that is all great. But we encourage you to look at what really matters, and that's customer feedback. Look at our Google reviews. Check to see what people have said about us. Each one of those is a real client with real feedback on how we have helped them out. So please Google us and check to see what they have to say. Best can mean different things to a lot of people. We want to come up with the outcome that best works for you. Maybe that's a reduction in charges. Maybe that means you have to go to trial and you have to beat the case. We will never tell you you need to sign a plea if we don't believe it's in your best interest. At the end of the day, a plea versus a trial, that's your decision to make 100%. What we can do is try to give you the best options, an honest assessment of your case, how it stands up at trial versus what a plea would look like for you and would it help you. For a lot of people, there are so many things at stake, and a reduction in charges can take those completely off the table. Maybe it's immigration consequences, maybe it's license suspensions, anything of that nature. And once those resolved, their life goes back to normal without the risk of a trial. So best is relative, and the best outcome for us is something that works for you. So when you're looking for an attorney, when you're looking at someone who's announcing that they're the best at whatever, look for certain red flags. What I can never do is offer guarantees. Legally, ethically, I cannot make guarantees. So if you find someone who is making guarantees, be very wary of that. That is a red flag. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting into. If the fee structure is vague and you don't know exactly what you're going to be paying, that's another red flag. We will always offer upfront pricing and talk to you about exactly what we charge. There are no surprise fees with us. A lack of updates is another concern. I've already told you, if you have questions, reach out to us. One of the biggest complaints we get is someone cannot get in touch with their attorney. And yes, attorneys are busy. We're in and out of court all the time. And everyone else in my office have time blocked out on our calendar, reserved just for clients to book time on our phone conferences so they can ask us what's going on. I hate when people say, I felt like I didn't know what was going on. Like I said, you will have our email addresses, our phone numbers, and our phone conference link to constantly stay in contact with us. There is no such thing as too much communication, because this is the most important thing going on in your life, or one of the top most important things, which means it's important to me. So if you can't get in contact with me, my paralegals are here to help as well. We will always be able to give you an update if you call in to see what's going on. So take all those things into consideration when deciding who is the best attorney for you. Give us a call, 317-632-3642. We're happy to help. And remember, always plead the fifth.